Alright, dog. Welcome back to the channel. This is Gary with Gwen. We just came back from South Carolina, so on a little vacation, so we're gonna do some pre-street and yeet, check over on Gwen, and fix some hoods, pins, just do a check over. Transmission leak we're gonna look into. So as I was taking the tires off, I noticed some frame stuff had some issues. So right there, that part of the chassis and rear end looked good. Small issues. But then we decided to make our way over to the passenger side and get that tire off and look at some stuff. And that is what we saw. So we're gonna go ahead and cut that all out, make some new brackets, and go from there. So I'll show you guys a time lapse of me taking it apart, getting the rear end out, and cleaning it up. Alright, so I got it out. You can see the damage, the bracket. I'm gonna look for new brackets this week. Grind all that off. Take off the other side, make brackets the same as new, and weld them back on. And we'll go from there. I forgot how heavy a 9-inch is. All right, good morning, GSW Racing fans. We're about to go to the track today. I made a few changes on the truck over the past couple weeks. Had some issues, had to fix some stuff. First thing was I got the pins on the hood. They're just real quick. I got to finish fiberglassing these ones in. I changed the hood layout. And then we had some complications with the bracketry on the ladder bars in the rear end. I got those fixed up. So we'll see how that all goes. Yeah, and then we'll do post update. We're going down to Esta and Cicero, New York. Gonna do a couple hits, maybe 8th. We'll see 8th. Maybe we'll run a quarter or two. Not sure if I'm gonna do my license or not. I didn't get the paperwork printed off, so I'm not sure. But we'll see how everything goes. I'll keep you guys posted. All right, so recap from the weekend. Everything went good, or at least decently good. Started off with a couple slow passes, 5 pounds of boost, 8 pounds of boost, 10 pounds of boost, 12 pounds of boost, 15 pounds of boost. Transmission is starting to slip a little, so we're gonna tear that apart and see what's going on there. Having a little bit of drop in fuel pressure, so we're gonna check to see if the regulator is bad, or if the fuel pumps are bad, or if just the fuel lines for the fuel are just too large and not condensing small enough. But overall, it was good. It was mainly just a check to see if the rear end was working. So the rear end's working, it went straight. Had a little pull to the left, so we're gonna check measurements and see if the ladder bars are adjusted wrong and check those out. But otherwise, everything else went good. As you saw in one of the photos, I get some blow by through my oil tank of my turbos when I get high into boost. And if I don't drain it, so we need to keep an eye on that so we don't slick the track down or put oil underneath ourselves while we're going down. So, but otherwise, overall, just watch for a video on us taking the transmission apart and seeing how things are going there. But as usual, thanks for following along. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. We're gonna try to start getting more videos out. Some more projects are coming along in the winter, so that might help us. And me and Tyler have Street and Yeet in November that we need to get ready for, so you might see some prep videos and then the videos of Street and Yeet. Again, thanks for watching.